welcome to this explainer. You know that generic, out-of-the-box look your Windows PC came with? Well, we are ditching that today. We're going to take that basic factory setting and transform it into a totally personalized, hyper-efficient workspace. Because honestly, if you're just using your computer exactly the way it was handed to you, you are missing out on a massive opportunity to optimize your digital life. So let's just cut straight to the chase and ask, does your computer actually feel like yours? Are you just settling for whatever defaults Microsoft threw your way? Or are you ready to take real ownership of your digital workspace? Customizing your OS isn't just about making things look pretty, guys. It is fundamentally about boosting your daily productivity, zipping around your navigation, and yes, even saving your eyes from serious strain. Here is our roadmap for today's explainer. 1. Your digital blank canvas. 2. Finding your perfect vibe. 3. Mastering your daily tools. 4. Powering up your productivity. And finally, 5. Building your ultimate setup. All right, section 1, your digital blank canvas. Let's get to it. Every great transformation starts with the basics. The absolute fastest way to kick off your customization journey, just right-click literally anywhere on your blank desktop. Hit Personalize right down there at the bottom of the pop-up menu, and boom, you are instantly in the command center. It is the absolute quickest route to your digital blank canvas. Or, if you're already deep in work with a few windows open, you can simply pop open your Start menu, click that little gear icon for settings, and find the dedicated personalization dashboard right in there. Either route gets you to the exact same place, handing you the keys to unlock your system's total visual and functional potential. Moving right along to section 2, finding your perfect vibe. Okay, now that we know where the dashboard is, let's tackle those surface-level aesthetics that make the biggest visual impact on your everyday experience. Changing your wallpaper is just a snappy 4-step workflow, but you're definitely not limited to some boring static picture. You can go with a super clean solid color, a rotating slideshow of your favorite personal memories, or, honestly, my absolute favorite, Windows Spotlight. That feature pulls beautiful, professionally shot rotating images straight from Microsoft servers, giving you a fresh vibe every single day. Next up, let's talk about contrasting colors, because this is a massive deal for your daily comfort. Light mode gives you that traditional bright interface with white menus. But dark mode is an absolute game changer. It flips your interface to a much darker color palette, drastically dialing back screen brightness to literally save your eyes during those late-night work runs or marathon gaming sessions. Making that switch just completely transforms the look. It instantly gives the whole interface this sleek, cohesive, modern feel that seriously limits visual fatigue. And notice how those cool, transparent effects on the Start menu still shine through beautifully, just without that glaring, harsh white light blasting into your retinas. Now, what's really awesome here is how much time you can actually save. If you want everything perfectly coordinated, but let's be real, you don't want to sit there tweaking every single setting manually, you don't have to. You can download entire free themes straight from the Microsoft Store. Literally one click installs a package that bundles a matching wallpaper, sound pack, accent colors, and even custom mouse cursors. The whole shebang, instantly. All right, on to section 3, mastering your daily tools. Going deeper than just the aesthetic looks, let's optimize the tools you actually interact with every single day, so your system works exactly how your brain works. Your Start menu is basically your daily launchpad, and it is highly adaptable. You really want to get in there and pin your daily driver apps right to the top, maybe organize them into folders, and most importantly, strip away all that pre-installed clutter you literally never touch. You can even tweak the AI-driven recommendations so your most recent files are always exactly where you need them. Frictionless workflow, that's the goal here. You can also fundamentally change the entire visual feel of Windows through the Taskbar settings. Want a modern smartphone-like layout? Keep your Taskbar icons aligned right in the center of the screen. But hey, if years of muscle memory are screaming at you, you can easily shift them right back to the classic left side. It's totally up to you. You're in complete control. Next up is section 4, powering up your productivity. Time to enter true power user territory. Listen closely, because if you only take one single thing away from this explainer, let it be virtual desktops. This feature is unreal. It lets you slice up a single monitor into completely distinct, distraction-free workspaces. So you can have one desktop completely dedicated to school or work, and a totally separate one for gaming. It keeps all your game launchers completely hidden away from your programming or editing tools, creating this vital mental separation between work and play.
And to keep vital info right at your fingertips without totally breaking your focus, you've got to utilize the AI-powered widgets board. It's amazing. You can instantly check the weather, local traffic, your stock watch list, or your upcoming calendar events, all without ever needing to open a web browser and risking the rabbit hole of internet distractions. Oh, and I highly recommend you just snap a screenshot of these shortcuts right now. Seriously, memorizing this little cheat sheet is absolutely the best way to navigate your OS with lightning speed. Hitting Windows plus I to instantly pop open settings, or Windows plus D to immediately hide all your messy windows and show your clean desktop, it's gonna save you countless clicks over a lifetime of using computers.
Which brings us to our final stop, Section 5, Building Your Ultimate Setup. Let's bring all these individual tweaks together into distinct, cohesive setup styles tailored for your exact lifestyle. First up, the gaming setup. The gamer persona thrives on high energy and pure performance. If this is you, you're going to want to look into animated desktop backgrounds, syncing your accent colors with your physical RGB lighting, definitely ensuring Windows Game Mode is enabled, and relying heavily on that Windows plus G shortcut to access the Xbox Game Bar for all those instant performance overlays and screen recordings. On the complete flip side, if you crave absolute zen and focus, the minimalist setup is totally for you. This setup strips away literally all visual distractions. You right-click to hide your desktop icons entirely, opt for a super simple, solid color or clean geometric wallpaper, and set your taskbar to automatically hide itself until you drag your mouse all the way to the bottom of the screen. It is just you and your blank canvas.
And of course, technology should adapt to us, not the other way around, right? The accessibility setup focuses on creating an incredibly usable interface for everyone. This involves utilizing Windows' seriously robust tools to increase text scaling, apply high-contrast themes for much better visibility, set up color filters, and enable built-in screen readers like Narrator. It ensures the OS is perfectly comfortable to use no matter your needs.
Speaking of making things comfortable, display scaling adjustments are an absolute lifesaver. By tweaking that scale percentage, you make sure your PC's texted apps are perfectly readable. It honestly doesn't matter if you're leaning back staring at a massive pixel-dense 4K monitor from across the room, or if you're hunched over a tiny 13-inch laptop screen at a coffee shop. Everything just fits.
So the absolute crucial takeaway here is this. Personalizing Windows isn't just about making it look pretty, it's really about crafting faster workflows, reducing mental friction, and just drastically improving your daily comfort. We've covered the tools today, from snappy backgrounds and taskbars to those incredible virtual desktops and shortcuts. The only question left is, how are you going to build the ultimate setup for your life? And what exactly will your digital workspace say about you? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and have an awesome time building your perfect setup.